Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Human language is messy. We use slang, sarcasm, and tone to change the meaning of our words. To a computer, a sentence is just a chaotic string of letters. The logic of natural language processing, or NLP, is the logic of standardization. It is the bridge that turns human conversation into digital data. It doesn't understand what you say, it calculates what you mean. The first step is tokenization. A machine cannot swallow a whole sentence. It must break it into tokens, the smallest units of meaning. Think of a Lego castle. To understand the structure, the machine breaks it down into individual bricks. It identifies the nouns, the verbs, and the punctuation. By deconstructing the mess, the machine creates a structured list that it can finally begin to process. This is the logic of granularity. Once it has the bricks, how does it know what they mean? This is the logic of embeddings or word vectors. In the knowledge vault, every word is given a coordinate on a 3D map. Words with similar meanings, like happy and joyful, are placed close together. Words that are opposites are placed far apart. The machine doesn't have a dictionary, it has a universe of meaning. It understands a word by looking at its neighbors. If king is to a man, then a queen is to a woman. The logic is purely spatial. Finally, the machine uses attention logic. It looks at the words around a specific word to understand the context. In the sentence "I am blue," the machine checks the surrounding words to see if you mean the color or the emotion. It calculates a sentiment score to read the room. It isn't magic empathy, it is a mathematical prediction of your intent. It reads your mind by calculating the probability of your mood. NLP proves that even our most complex thoughts can be mapped with logic. When we speak, we are providing the coordinates for a machine to find us. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Thank you for joining the vault.